This is a Huawei MatePad 11.5 and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system on this device. So first course of action that you need to take in case you suggest that your system has gotten hacked or simply is infected with malware or virus is to perform the security scan. In order to do that, find the Optimizer app on your storage, then tap at the virus scan option, see if it will spot any security threats, and if it will also help you to terminate them or remove the virus that it finds. And another thing to do on top of the virus scan is to go into settings, then at the search bar type in the admin query, then open the device administrators list and restrict this very sensitive permission to all apps that you have, in case any of the app has it, of course. So let me first activate it so I can show how to turn it off. So just open the device administrator page of the app that you would like to deactivate it for, and then simply tap at the deactivate button. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.